Hi, welcome to Jamaican Cooking 101. Today we're making some coconut drops. You know it's the month of independence and emancipation, so we're doing a few traditional dishes, and this one in particular is made from coconut. So I'm going to prep the ingredients, so stay tuned to Jamaican Cooking 101. Welcome back. So me round the backyard brought the coconut. Now you know so you can't waste the water. So we pour out the water out of it, and now we crack it in half, and then we're gonna hux it out of the shell. Alright, you can see that white fleshy part, that's what we're gonna be using. So of course you stabilize the coconut, and you're gonna use a short knife to just gently pry it out of the shell. I saw this thing where they heat the shell and the coconut just fall out easy. But you see, I know to do it the traditional way, so I just stick with it. Now you can use your cutting board to cut up coconut, but more time, you just do it in your hand, just like this. So you cut it in strips and then you cut it in small dices. Alright. Once I've finished with that, I'm just going to measure it out to see how much I've gotten from that one coconut, and then measure out my sugar and set it to boil. So there we have it. The coconut is cut up in small dice. Alright, now I put that in the pot with a small amount of water. So it's 1 cup of coconut to 1/4 cup of water, and then I've added some ginger. You know, coconut drops have to have a little ginger in there. So I've added some ginger, and then I'm going to add the sugar. It's best to use brown sugar because you'll get that nice caramel look, but if you want you can add granulated sugar. So I'm adding 1 cup of sugar, and then I'm going to give it a good stir and allow it to come to a boil. Now coconut drops is usually placed on banana leaves. In some countries they call it fig, but in Jamaica we say banana leaf. But if you don't have banana leaf, you can always put it on grease-proof paper or on foil. So the coconut has come to a boil. The coconut mixture has come to a boil, and we're gonna watch it. Keep stirring until it thickens up. You will know when it is ready by simply pulling away or stirring away some of the mixture, and if it leaves a clear path, then you know it is ready to start dropping it on the banana leaf or your greaseproof paper. So I'm seeing some of that here, but I'm going to give it a little more time, you know. Alright, so we'll let that boil up a little more, and then we're going to start. This look like it. Aye, see it there. So I'm going to use a metal spoon, right, because you need to be able to drop it from the spoon easily. So it's best to use a metal spoon, and see me, I'll need help from the wooden spoon. So I'm not sure how much I'll get out of it, but let's go for 6. Alright, I don't like them too big, I like them nice and dainty. And then after that we allow them to cool. Once they have cooled up, you can easily lift them from the foil. Alright, so I'm using the egg lifter to just pry them up, and they should be fine, flat and nice. Yes, we got them right. So I'm displaying them nicely. So out of that mixture we got 6 coconut drops, but you know it go, we just deal with one before we display those. Alright, so we're displaying 5 of them, and they're all looking lovely. So we got these from the fresh coconut. Try the recipe, man, and keep up with our tradition. Let us know how it turned out for you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.